Let's solve this question on what ASVAB PiCAT Math Knowledge Practice question. The question says we should simplify what 7 minus 4 minus 2 minus 7. This time that you are going to see anytime we encounter negative, we're going to take the absolute value of that number. What is 7 minus what? Or 7 minus 4 is going to give us 3. Alright, we have minus. Why 2 minus 7 is going to give us what? Minus what? 5. Now let's call the bin. Whenever you have these symbols, when there is negative in the what? In these symbols, you ignore the negative and write the number. So here now we're going to have 3 minus. Instead of saying minus times minus, we now do that. Because of this, we take the absolute value of 5 and that will give us 5. Not minus times minus. So we now have what? 3 minus 5 will give us what? Minus 2. If you mistakenly times minus, you are going to have plus, and 3 plus 5 will give you 8. And that 8 is the wrong answer. So the answer is this. What do? You ignore the minus and take the absolute value of what is inside the what? The brace. Thank you.